everyone and welcome to my channel, and in this video tutorial I'm gonna share with you how to do fairy spring or summer makeup. So today we will look really cute and I hope you will like it. Let's go! First things first, we should remember that it is summer. That means that there is the sun, and of course we need to protect our skin. So oh my god, it's so cold, you know, it's so unusual. I'm applying this with my fingers because I feel like this is the best way not to absorb the product in sponges and so on. So I'm just using my fingers like this. So yeah, there's my mirror, so they don't mind if I look there too much. Now we are protected. Okay, after 5 minutes of waiting, I'm just here to use my foundation. So I'm gonna use my Dior foundation, Dior Backstage Face and Body Foundation. By the way, make sure to prepare a wet sponge. Okay, now we are ready with our foundation. Like, look at this, everything looks good. If you have some messiness in your foundation, then you can just grab wet sponge and just tap it in a little bit. This way, this will make your foundation look better. It's time for contouring. Yeah, so I'm gonna use my Arrive. This is a makeup brand which has this gorgeous contouring stick, so I recommend it so much. I don't know what brand is it, like which country, but you know, it's kind of good. So I like this type of application. I'm just grabbing a clean brush and just tap it in a little bit on the top of my jaw right here, and we're just tapping and blending out a little bit. Okay, so we're blending out to the top, of course. Yeah, we have these loops, and the same thing goes on the left side. About nose contouring, okay, we just grab it, just do this thing a little bit, then apply to the thinnest area a little bit of contouring, and just move from the center to the top. Okay, the same thing goes here. We're just leaving some white space in between to make our nose look really narrow and cute. Okay, and the rest of our contouring we're just leaving for our forehead. After applying this contouring on our cheekbones, I'm just applying a little bit more under my jaw, just to emphasize it a little bit, like underline or something. Yeah, so we are just contouring our face. Yeah, everything that is dark, it's time for the eyeliner. Invincible, I love this so much. It is really cheap, but it's worth it. The quality of this eyeliner is insane. So this is the hardest part. Okay, now let's apply a little bit of concealer from Luna. Oh my god, look how perfect my under eye look. I feel like this is the best concealer ever. Eyebrows, I'm gonna use this gel. Okay, it's kinda easy. You just firstly you just do this to the top, and then you just move your eyebrow hair to the side, and afterwards you just add this one. Okay, and it looks really clean. Okay, right here. eyebrows look insane. It's time for the main thing in our makeup. I'm gonna use my blush. Blush, as eyeshadow, as contouring, as everything. I will use this one from Revolution. It's broken, but this is my favorite one. So let's just start it a little bit. I'm just gonna use a lot of this. Okay. Don't forget to apply it as an eyeshadow too. So we're just taking a lot of blush and just pressing it right into our eyelid like this, and the same goes here. Oh my god, it's so bright. It goes like this. Now it's time to emphasize our eyeshadow. I'm gonna use this James Charles palette. I'm gonna use the black eyeshadow from here, and it looks like this. I'm gonna use the darkest shade just to underline my eyes a bit. So I'm just picking my smallest brush and I'm just adding some black in between my lashes. Afterwards, I take this Urban Orchid palette from Divash and I just add this waterfall shade, this one, just to emphasize my inner corners. That's great. Now it's time to add some gems. Yay! You're ready. Here they are. Now it's time for mascara. I'm gonna use the most dolly looking mascara from Catrice Max It. Yeah, I love it so much. So let's just apply it. Look how gorgeous it is. Okay, and now we are ready with the eyes. It's time for the lips. For my lips, I'm gonna use my new pencil from Beauty Bomb Y2K collection. Y2K, yeah, is it called like that? Okay, our last step is highlighter. I'm just gonna use this one, Shimmer Squad from Lottie London. Okay, I'm gonna use this green one and I'm just applying it on my cheekbones, under my eyebrows, but it's kind of late because I have these gems on. Never mind. On the tip of our nose, on the bridge of our nose a bit. Like we just need this glowy look, and on the top of our upper lip, of course too, just to make it look a bit bigger. So yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're looking for some products I used in this video, just click to the link in the description, and there are some of these products. If you will buy them by the link, I will get some extra commission, which will be really helpful for my channel. So yeah, if you end up liking this video, consider subscribing. It is free and you can always change your mind. So I hope to see you on my beauty tutorials later. Yeah, so this is the final look. Yeah, I hope you like it. So bye.